students, today we will discuss about the number 4 or part 4 of the number system. So fraction and decimal, the part we will discuss today. The word fraction derives from the Latin word fractus, meaning broken. This is the broken number. We have to know that this is broken number. It represents a part of a whole consisting of a number of equal parts out of a whole. Means, example, that slices of pizza. That's why if we draw a pizza, suppose first, second, third, we have to count that first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So this is 1 by 6. This part is 1 by 6. This part 2 by 6. This part 3 by 6. This part 4 by 6. This part 5 by 6. That all are the fractional number. We have to know. Now the fraction on number line. In order to represent a fraction on a number line, we divide the line segment between two whole numbers into n equal parts, where n is the denominator. We have to know that what is denominator and what is numerator. In a fractional number, if we see here 3 by 5, that is called numerator, and that is called denominator, and that's line called reference line. We have to know that is the main basic funda of the fractional number. That is numerator, that is reference line, and that is denominator. That is the structural formula of the fractional number. In number line, that is 0 and that is 1. Between 0 and 1 there is 1 by 5, 3 by 5, because 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is the after the 0, that is the first part, and total part is 5. That's why this is the 1 by 5, and this is the third part of the total 5. That's why this is 3 by 5. This will be 2 by 5 as same. This will be 4 by 5. And if we see that why it is 1, because it is the 5 by 5, it is 1. That satisfied. Now we have to know the types of fraction. Here many types of fraction are there. That is proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fractions, like fraction, unlike fractions. Proper fraction means the denominator is greater than the numerator. 4 by 5, numerator and denominator. Here denominator is greater than numerator. This is the condition for proper fraction. For improper fraction, opposite of the proper, that is 5 by 4. That means denominator is less than numerator. That is basic and main condition for improper fraction. Mixed fraction, if we see here the 48 by 5, if we take this number only or any number and we divide it by 5, 48, we get is equal to 8 whole number 8 by 5. Mixed fraction is the mixture of a whole number and a improper fraction. A improper fraction and A whole number is the mixture of a mixed fraction. Okay. Now we have to know the like fraction. Like fraction, that is where the denominator is same and numerator are different. That means 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 8 by 7, where denominator all are same. That's the condition for like fraction. And unlike fraction, opposite of the like, that's the denominator are different. That is 2 by 5, 3 by 10, 8 by 9. That's are the unlike fraction, where all the denominator are different. So the next part is the decimal number. Decimal number, we have to know the decimal numbers are used to represent the numbers that are smaller than the unit. Decimal numbers system is also known as base 10 system, because the numbers, these numbers, decimal numbers, are always gained or lost between the power of 10. They are gained or lose their power in the 10, base 10. Here, as you can see, this is the pointing system or decimal system whole, total decimal system. I hope all of you can see here, this is the decimal point or decimal separator. We also called as decimal separator. Okay, so for before the decimal separator or before the decimal point, these points or these part are called as integral part. Integral part, that is start from 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, millions. All of you can see here, this is the base 10, because that is the 10 base and power will be changed. That's the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the base always constant, that is 10. That's why this is called as base 10 number system. And this is the integral part, and this is the decimal part. Decimal part means after the decimal point, these calls are decimal part. We have to know, always we have to know that. And the decimal point is a part of fractional number and also a part of decimal number, because all of you can see here, if we take a fraction 5 by 2, this is 2.5. This is a decimal number. If we take 3 by 100, we also write as 0.03. That is also a decimal number. If we take 3 by 2, that is 1.5. That is also a decimal number. So this is the relation between fraction and decimal number. We have to know that. So next video, in the part 5, we will discuss the operation on decimal number and fraction number, and how we will convert the fraction number into the decimal, and how we will convert the decimal number into fraction. We will do after the part 5, or in the part 6 we will do the even number, odd number, and etc. So that's all for today. Thank you, students.